From last 3 months, market is mostly working on three things: NFTs, play to earn plans, and on DEX exchanges. And in this video, we will discuss about a project which mainly focuses on play to earn and will be huge in some months. The team of the project is mainly focuses on the listing of this gem on centralized exchanges. Stay tuned for more info.
Feel uninvited.
Starting with a huge news, Meme Wars MWAR is going to be listed on the Hotbit exchange on 26th of November 10 a.m. UTC. It means that you can trade the Meme Wars altcoin directly on the Hotbit exchange. So you must have to follow them on the Twitter because every day they are sharing new things about this project. Secondly, as I said in starting, the team is mainly focusing on the listing of this hidden gem, Meme Wars. Right now, the price of this altcoin is 0.13. And for example, if you are going to invest only and only $130 in this project, surely it will give you up to 20x very soon. What you think? Share with me in the comment section. Here you can see the contract address. I will share the contract address in the description of this video. Now, something important about this altcoin, Meme Wars. Meme Wars is the first ever DeFi game that allows the players to strategically stake, defend, and attack the enemy. And also for the staking pools, you can even stake the MWAR tokens into a team and sub pool to gain the ownership and voting rights in that pool. Here you can see the main website. Major thing, full game launching on December 6, 2021. And then we'll all have the chance to simply play this game and make some good profit with the help of MWAR tokens. Now something important, the tokenomics. MemePad staking program 20%, initial liquidity 20%, MemePad IDO 20%, marketing 20%, and only 20% for the team. Some important features of the MWAR token: MemePad buyback program. 2% of all the MWAR transactions are used to automatically buy back MEPAD tokens. 1% liquidity fee. Each the whitelisted transaction takes a 1% transaction fee and adds it directly to the PancakeSwap liquidity. So guys, here we are going to stop for a while. For example, on every transaction, if for example every day about 100 or 150 transactions are there, then 1% of each transaction is going to be added as a liquidity on the PancakeSwap exchange. So what will happen? Surely the price will increase of this altcoin. Staking burn of and the tokens. Staking in any team of the game burns 100% of the tokens, creating significant deflation. Earn the rewards forever. In return for your burn stake in the game, you own a permanent share of your team's earnings forever. Now, important thing about the mobile friendly. As I said that very soon we have the chance to simply download the game and we can play it anywhere we are. The Meme Wars web app will be available on both the desktop and also on the mobile devices, optimized for all the screen sizes and compatible with the leading crypto wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and many more. So what do you think about this project? Because I love the project and the idea of the play to earn will be huge very soon because it's just a starting. So the price is 0.13. In maximum next 6 months, surely the price of this altcoin will be above than $20 or $25. Guys, share with me in the comment section what you think about this project. Thanks a lot.